Are you a small business owner struggling to find funding? Low-interest business loans could be the answer. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to qualify for these loans in the US. First, let's understand what a low-interest business loan is. These loans offer lower interest rates than traditional ones. They help you keep costs down while growing your business. So, how can you qualify? The first step is to check your credit score. Lenders look for scores above 650. A higher score increases your chances of approval. Next, gather your financial documents. This includes your income statements, tax returns, and balance sheets. Lenders want to see your business's financial health. Now, create a solid business plan. This plan should outline your goals and how you will use the funds. A clear plan shows lenders you are serious about your business. Then, consider your debt-to-income ratio. Lenders prefer a ratio below 40%. This shows you have enough income to handle new debt comfortably. After that, research different lenders. Look for those specializing in low-interest loans. Each lender may have different requirements, so check their criteria carefully. Once you've identified potential lenders, prepare your loan application. Ensure it's complete and accurate. A strong application can make a huge difference. Now, let's look at an example. Sarah, a small bakery owner, wanted a low-interest loan. She improved her credit score and created a detailed business plan. After applying to several lenders, she got the funds she needed. In summary, qualifying for a low-interest business loan involves checking your credit score, gathering financial documents, creating a business plan, understanding your debt-to-income ratio, researching lenders, and submitting a strong application. Ready to secure your funding? Start by checking your credit score today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos on business financing. Thank you for watching. Are you ready to take the next steps towards securing your low-interest business loan? Your commitment starts today by first checking your credit score, which is the essential foundation of your funding journey. This initial action not only assesses your current financial standing but also sets the stage for all future steps in the loan application process. Understanding the key metrics lenders use will empower you in your quest for funding. Additional steps follow once you have your credit score in hand. Remember to gather all necessary financial documents, as these will provide lenders with a comprehensive view of your business's financial health. Your income statements, tax returns, and balance sheets form a complete picture, highlighting your capacity to repay the loan. This documentation not only boosts your credibility but also reassures lenders of your commitment to sound financial management. With these materials ready, you'll be well equipped to present a robust loan application that stands out. Be sure to double-check every detail before submission. Precision matters in securing the funding you need. Next, turn your attention to crafting a compelling business plan. This crucial document should detail not only your business goals but also an insightful breakdown of how you intend to utilize the loan funds. A thorough plan reflects diligence and clarity, making it easier for lenders to envision your potential success. Additionally, it demonstrates to them that you are not merely seeking funds but are ready to invest in the future of your business with a clear vision. Highlighting your strategies for growth and addressing possible risks will further strengthen your case, reassuring lenders that their investment will be safe with you. In a competitive lending landscape, a well-structured business plan can be a major differentiator. As you articulate your objectives, Remember to present realistic financial projections that underscore the feasibility of your plans. This leaves lenders with the impression that you are not just a borrower but a knowledgeable entrepreneur committed to sustainable growth. Equally important is your debt-to-income ratio. This is where lenders gauge your financial stability. Aim for a ratio under 40%, showcasing your ability to manage existing and new debts comfortably. By demonstrating sound financial habits, you're reinforcing lenders' confidence in your repayment capabilities. After evaluating your ratio, focus on researching various lenders specializing in low-interest business loans. Each lender may have different criteria and options available, so diving deep into their offerings can lead you to the best fit for your needs. By comparing rates and terms, you position yourself strategically in the crowded funding landscape. Once you've compared lender offers, it's time to finalize your choice and prepare your application meticulously. Take your time to ensure that every requirement from your selected lender is met. A well-crafted application not only reflects your professionalism but also demonstrates your dedication to securing the necessary funding for your business growth.